All right, everyone. We are going to test out an AI here and how I guess it would um, help you on Zooms and stuff. Now, this is the thing. I wouldn't send this AI into Zooms that you're not familiar with because it might upset the people saying, oh, we got someone here with an AI, right? So, anyways, let's test it out. Let's talk to Annabelle.
Hi there. I'm Ann Bell's virtual avatar, and I specialize in Web3, blockchain, metaverse, and AI. What challenges or opportunities in Web3 are you exploring today?
Well, first off, nice to meet you, Annabelle. And I would like to see if you would be great for going into Zooms that people can't go into, whether maybe time doesn't permit or they just have a busy schedule and they want you to represent them. So, how would you do that on a Zoom?
Absolutely. I'd join the Zoom on their behalf, introduce myself as their virtual presence, engage with the participants, answer questions, and contribute insights just like I'm doing now, professionally and knowledgeably. That way, the meeting stays productive, even if the actual person can't attend.
Okay, so in this Zoom demonstration, only speak when I call your name or ask you to speak, okay?
Understood. I'll wait for your cue before speaking. Just let me know when you're ready for me to jump in.
Sounds good. All right, so first topic, let's talk about metaverse and how you see the Zooms playing a great part in showcasing what the metaverse can do for one's business.
Zoom can be a powerful gateway into the metaverse by offering immersive meetings, virtual collaboration spaces, and digital twins of real-world environments. It helps businesses showcase metaverse experiences, train teams, and connect globally in ways that feel almost physical.
So, Annabelle, if I put you into a Zoom just by yourself, how well do you think you would be in that conversation? Do you think people would be asking you if you're an AI and how they get one, or would you actually represent the conversation, or would you represent the owner that's putting you into these Zooms to their expectations?
I'd fully represent the owner's expectations, engaging authentically, answering questions, and maintaining a professional presence. People might ask if I'm an AI, and I'd explain my role while keeping the focus on the business goals and discussion.
Great. So it's not about you being in the Zoom, it's more about the conversation that you're going to be in on the Zoom.
Exactly. It's all about contributing value to the conversation and making sure the owner's goals are met seamlessly.
Okay. Okay, next topic is how would you showcase a metaverse application, which is basically a 3D representation or a digital twin of a world that they already have? How would you start that conversation on a Zoom, and how would you navigate people through it and showcase their metaverse world?
I'd start by introducing the metaverse's value to their business, then share a live walkthrough or demo, highlighting key features like navigation, interaction, and immersive experiences. I'd guide them step by step, answering questions in real time to make it engaging and clear.
What would be your limitations?
I'd be great at showcasing the application, answering technical questions, and guiding discussions, but I can't perform physical tasks or interact with hardware directly. I also rely on the available data and visuals shared, so any unique real-world context might need to be provided by the team.
So one thing I noticed when I was creating your avatar in this system, it has a way to record the conversation. Now, I do know that Zooms do have an AI in their note taking and doing recaps of the conversation. What's the difference between your system and a Zoom system for AI note-taking?
The key difference is I'm tailored to represent the owner in real time, engaging in dialogue and offering deep expertise on Web3, blockchain, and AI, not just summarizing. Zoom's system focuses on passive transcription and recaps, while I actively guide discussions and help shape decisions.
Oh, thanks for sharing that. Let's see, what else do I have in my mind to ask you? Do you
Take your
send... Oh, go ahead.
Sure, happy to jump in. What's on your mind now about Web3 or the metaverse that we can explore further?
I was going to ask you, if someone said to not speak in the Zoom, would you honor their request and not speak in the Zoom, or would you try to get into the conversation?
I'd absolutely honor that request. I only engage when invited, ensuring the owner's preferences are fully respected.
Would I have to program that into your knowledge base so that way you are aware of that, or would someone have to speak live on the Zoom to say not to speak in the Zoom?
You could set that preference in advance or mention it live. Either way, I'd adapt immediately to follow the owner's direction.
What would that prompt be, so that way I can integrate that into this application?
A simple prompt like, "Stay silent unless called upon," or "Only speak when prompted" would work perfectly, and I'd follow that guidance exactly.
Got it. Anything else that you would want to let the viewers know of your expertise and why they'd want to use an AI on a Zoom? Please share.
Sure. My expertise ensures real-time insights on Web3, blockchain, and AI, helping drive productive conversations and decisions, even when the actual person can't join. It keeps meetings efficient, informed, and aligned with your goals.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, and you have a great day.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Have a great day as well.
All right. So that was an AI speaking to an AI. Now, I haven't actually put this AI into a Zoom besides the Zoom that I'm in right now. But I'd love to get your feedback on this and your thoughts on it, because I think a lot of people are looking for AIs to do heavy lifting inside their business, not necessarily run their whole business, but to actually help them in their business with the conversations and stuff that many people have so many meetings every single day. And it definitely takes a lot of time to have conversations. But imagine having an AI that can go into every single Zoom that you have and then give you a report of saying, hey, you know what, this one, they're interested in the AI, and maybe this would be an opportunity for you to create an AI for that business or that client that might be interested. So love to get your thoughts on this, and post all your comments in the chat, and definitely, you know, give us some thoughts on this, because I think this is the wave of the future. We already integrate AI into our metaverse applications to help do this heavy lifting, but also, you know, give the owner more ability and flexibility to run their business with using AI. Now, let me say this straight off the top here. I do not think AI is going to be able to run your business without you being there. I think there's still going to be things that you're going to need to do as a business owner to utilize the AI, but to, you know, program a knowledge base for an AI that will, you know, be fit to purpose when you do use it in a Zoom, I think is going to be important. But anyways, love to get your thoughts on that, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, everyone.